Hi, Stan with 3D PT. I was at work today and I saw these Rave finger lights. And so what you do is you put them on your fingers and you go to your Rave and you have some fun. Now, I don't do a lot of Raves. Liver probably is thanking me for that. But I did have some other lights that I could play with. This is a cool light LED set, and I also found this set of rice lights at the dollar store. And I didn't even take them off the card. And I wanted to do some different experiments with time lapse and light painting. So on the video you see, it's spraying right now these ear savers for COVID-19 first responders. And what I was focusing on for this video is more the light painting and time lapse, and to see how these lights will move around and change color and do everything else. So in the spool, I put 3 lights up, and I put them at one against the edge here, one in the middle, and one right against the hub. And that way, when all 3 of them are on, if I can get to that one. Ideally, they'll produce I wanted them to produce a streak in like 3 layers, so green would be up here, red in the middle, and blue would be against the hub. Now, for light painting, I use a Canon EO3 Rebel, and the time setting on it only goes up to 30 seconds automatically. Otherwise, you have to hold the bulb setting down and manually hold the shutter open. And I could do that for about as long as 3 minutes. So throughout the videos, you'll see me change out the different lights and just experiment with what I did. So I also put one of the finger lights here on the arm of the extruder.